See the new map at the back? Yup, we're excited too. The year 2020 has changed the ways we do things. From studies, to the way we interact with other people, and even how we do evangelism and discipleship. I hope in the past year that you've learned a thing or two in doing ministry online and making a difference by sharing the love of Christ to the people who matter to you. We at Ikan are trying to consolidate the things that we've been learning so far in evangelism, discipleship, and spiritual multiplication and bring them to you. We want to make it as simple as possible so that for those who want to start now can catch up. And even if you are an experienced disciple maker, you can teach this effectively and efficiently. Do you also have a passion for bringing the gospel to every student? How about launching spiritual movements on every campus? Raising future leaders to every nation? If so, let us help you. Drop a comment below or send us a message and we'll keep in touch. And lastly, remember, when it comes to evangelism and discipleship, if I can do it, so can you.